There is a certain magic in a beautiful pair of shoes, a kind of quiet poetry that speaks without words. And today, as I slip into my black pumps, I can feel that magic come alive. Black pumps, especially with a high heel, are the epitome of timeless elegance. There is something about them that transcends trends, that whispers of grace, of quiet confidence, of a beauty that does not shout but instead gently commands attention. The moment I see them, my heart stirs. The sleek lines, the soft sheen of the material, the perfect curve of the heel. Everything about them feels crafted to celebrate the art of being a woman. When I wear them, I feel transformed. It's as if they unlock a secret part of me, a part that walks taller, smiles more warmly, and sees the world through a lens of beauty and grace. There is a special kind of power in a high heel, but black pumps carry that power in the most refined, understated way. They are not loud, they are not brash, they are simply perfect. The beauty of black pumps lies in their simplicity. They do not need embellishments or distractions. Their elegance is in their very form. The graceful curve that follows the arch of the foot, the slender heel that lifts and elongates, the pointed toe that adds just a whisper of boldness. Every detail is intentional, every line a tribute to the sophistication they embody. I often find myself admiring them, even when I am not wearing them, sitting quietly in their box. Nestled in soft tissue paper, they are like a secret waiting to be revealed. Holding them in my hands, feeling the quality of the craftsmanship, the softness of the material, it is almost meditative. It reminds me that beauty, true beauty, lies in the details, in the care and artistry poured into creating something meant to be both worn and adored. Walking in black high heels is an experience all its own. Each step feels deliberate, graceful, like a small, silent performance. I love the way they change my posture, how they make my legs look longer, my movements more fluid. It is not just about appearance, it is about how they make me feel poised, elegant, and quietly unstoppable. There are few things more satisfying than the soft click of heels against the floor, a subtle rhythm that announces presence without demanding it. It's a reminder that strength can be gentle, that confidence can be whispered rather than shouted. Creating videos of these moments, sharing this love for beautiful shoes, fills me with such happiness. It's a way of celebrating not just fashion, but the little luxuries that add joy to everyday life. I love showing the curves, the silhouette, the way the light caresses the surface of the black leather or suede. I love capturing that magical moment when the shoes meet the foot, when elegance and personality intertwine. Here, it empowered, beautiful, and infinitely alive.